My followers know that I have a trans son. And this commenter says, this is not difficult. God gave you a baby. That baby was born a girl or a boy. That's the only two choices because God says so. Let me tell you what science says, my friend. Science says that there's the XX chromosomes, which produce females, and the XY, which produce males. But there's DNA on those different genes, like research the SRY gene. Those DNA pieces can translocate to other parts of the genes. So we all know that every embryo starts out looking female with ovaries and uterus and vagina. And it's not until the XY chromosome, particularly the Y chromosome, kicks in and causes the ovaries to turn into testes and so on and so forth. But there are genes on that Y gene, like the SRY gene, which is super responsible for it, and also for male presenting characteristics like masculine features, broader chest, wider waist. Sometimes that gene can translocate or jump to the X gene, or they have found it on chromosome 1 instead of chromosome 23 where they're supposed to be. So all I'm saying is this happens a lot where somebody can be born a female but have male characteristics because of translocation of these genes. They literally can be looking down and saying, I have female parts, but I act like and I identify as a male. My brain is male. It's never them choosing to be this way, my friend. Because that, as a mother of a child who's transgender, that's, I'm gonna get emotional. That's not a path that anyone wants to take. It's a very hard path. So I would love for you to understand that there is no dichotomy in gender or really anything in this world. There's always a spectrum. Genes and chromosomes are transferring in different places, in places they're not normally supposed to be, and producing totally different types of people that you need to accept exactly as they are. I understand that your education of biology probably ended in the 8th or 9th grade. So just do some research and see what it says. And you will see that gender is a spectrum.